Hello from Bugeye Guy. This is a very nicely modified Bugeye Sprite that we built in this shop that you see here, and I'm going to take you with me today on a drive back to the beach, and hopefully you'll get to see this is a great car with a great exhaust note. A couple of things that I love are these black powder coated wheels. We also actually have black lug nuts that go with them, but they're not installed currently until we're all done. We didn't want to scratch them, so they'll go on just last, but you can hear how great this car sounds right here. And when you drive this car, you just kind of want to do that all day. Just listen to that nice exhaust note. This is a 1275 modified engine with a 5-speed transmission attached. It also has this nice chopped down windshield, and I was kind of impressed that there was no risk of my Lotus hat blowing off in this video. So this windshield is a tad taller than ones that we've made in the past, so it does seem to give you the look of a chopped windshield and also make the cockpit pretty pleasant. Here's how you start a Bugeye. One click on the key and then you pull the starter right there, the S knob, and turn signals on. It's that center switch. This is a fully synchronized 5-speed gearbox from a Ford Sierra over in England, and it's rebuilt and off we go. It's a really nice setup because anyone can drive it. There's no non-synchro first issue, which some people have trouble getting used to if they're not British car lovers for a bit. And so it's a very user-friendly product. And by the way, you'll see I'm wearing earbuds here with a noise canceling setup just for wind noise in general. I prefer those. There's nothing, I'm not listening to music, I'm just actually quieting the noise. You also could see their 3 to 5 upshift, which is really nice with these 1275 engines if you want to loaf along, or you downshift into third and you can blast through the turns sort of like this. And these cars are very tractable. You can start them in second gear from walking pace. You can drive them in fifth gear at 40 miles an hour, kind of like this, or you can downshift, get more performance. The rev range is really nice, and the torque is good, so it's a lot of fun to have one of these cars. This is a really interesting modification setup because we tried to accent the original design with some tasteful upgrades. And that's why you see white piping on the seats, but also white stitching on that rubberized mat. We also added custom white stitching along the dashboard and along the cockpit trim. These are not standard features, but neither is a 1275 engine, so we wanted to make it look like you would have bought it this way back in 1960 when the car was new, but of course it's not technically correct. I do want to remind people, if you're new to Bugeyes, that there is a market for an accurate, correct Sprite the way it came off the showroom floor, and that's not this car. And there's also a strong market for modified cars, this one with front disc brakes and a sway bar in the front, smaller leather wheel, and some custom cosmetic trim details. If you're interested in this particular car, you can see it's just a very tight little rocket. You can't get into too much trouble really because you're not traveling as fast as you would in other performance cars. You make a lot of friends in these cars. I'm getting quite a kick out of the fact that there's a whole line of women who are smiling at me, which is certainly about the car, not about me. But I really love that about these cars is you meet people everywhere you go, male, female, everything. You just can't go out in a Sprite like this without having a great fun adventure. And what a nice way to go to the beach here at BugeyeGuy.com.